Good morning, second graders. Happy Monday, May 11th, 2020. I hope you had a wonderful weekend and you did something very special for your mom for Mother's Day. And maybe you cleaned your room or you did something for mom, you made her a nice card. Today for language arts, you are going to follow along to Yeshen in your Journeys book on page 454 to 465, and then you're going to read it to yourself. Then you are going to click on this link here for Cinderella, and you're going to listen to the story of Cinderella. Following that, you are going to listen to the lesson video of the Venn diagram, and then you are going to complete a Venn diagram in your notebook. You can print it out using this link, or you can draw two circles in your notebook. Maybe mom or dad can help you because I know that's hard for many of us to draw big enough circles. And then you are going to put the titles at the top. The video kind of explains what to do here, so make sure you watch that video so you can compare and contrast. And then you are going to read to self for 20 minutes. Your optional tasks for today are your Sunday lesson 113 and your Sunday worksheet 113. Then you can go into Pebble Go and you can choose something that interests you and research that topic. Then you can create a poster, a Google slide, or some type of creation to present your new learnings on Seesaw. Lastly, if you would like, you can log into Raz Kids and read a book and then take the comprehension quiz. I hope you have a great Monday and you finish your jobs this morning so you can get outside this afternoon and run around and play. Have a great day. Let me know if you need help. Make sure you work hard and you stay focused so you can get your jobs done. All right, I will talk to you later.